Now I'm going to add shredded cheese.
Helping out my mom here.
But the good thing of oyster sauce is tasty than the soy sauce. So I'm welcome back to my channel. This is Nelia Creasey. Guys, our video for today, I'm going to make a very quick cheeseburger, good for two. So, meron ako ditong about 2.5 grams of minced beef. I'm going to add breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. If you don't have oyster sauce, you can skip this. You can use soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce. 1 egg, small. Now I'm going to mix it with my hand. I'm supposed to use half of the egg only because this is only 1/4, so it becomes wet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit more of breadcrumbs. Now it's better. Now I'm going to add shredded cheese. Mix. Now I'm going to make my cheeseburger. Now I need about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to put my patty. Guys, in the same pan, I'm going to heat my burger bun. Remember, this is good for two burger. Now I'm going to remove my pan. I have my cheese. I have my cucumber and romaine. Guys, my burger patty with cucumber. A lot of cucumber for daddy. And a lot of salad for dada. Cover. Salad for Jack. They're going to eat this, guys. I'm not eating this. And of course, tomato for daddy and tomato for Jack. Here it is, guys. My very quick dinner. Thank you for watching. Bye.